The anxiety. We know each other now for so many years. We have been through good times and bad times together. I always could rely on you. You have always been there, even when I didn't need you at all. I'm writing this letter to you today because I want to use the opportunity to let you know I get you now. And I thank you for being so stubborn and patient with me. How often have I cursed you, insulted you, tried to dispose of you, screamed at you, and didn't see how that would hurt me, and only me. I hated you so deeply because I always thought you play your games with me and do what it takes to stand in my way. You have ruined endless nights and days for me. You made me stumble, made me fall, you made me look ridiculous and stupid. You made me avoid life, people, and things I would have liked doing. You were a piece of work. Or so I thought. It took me a while, but now I know. You mean it well with me and always wanted to do the right thing. But sometimes you mean it a bit too well or get things the wrong way. Well, because that is what you know about me and how you have learned to protect me and move me forward. You are very smart indeed, in a way, and a very fast learner. Yet, as smart as you are certainly fallible as well. No, don't deny it. You are part of a human, and we are not perfect and get things wrong all the time. Now, years have passed, I have been growing up, I think, and I'm no longer the person I used to be. And you know what? That is also thanks to you. You were challenging me on endless occasions. Every time I did something despite you standing in front of me, shaking your head, I was growing a bit taller. Of course, you were quite skeptical at first, as you have learned from experience. But with time, you noticed you can trust me, and that we now can learn something new and still feel safe together. That knowledge made me stronger. I thank you for being so conscientious. I thank you for your companionship. I realized today all you ever wanted was my happiness and safety. I can see it clearly now. In hindsight, I recognize now you have saved my life more than once. I am grateful you taught me to pay attention to important things and be awake when needed. I am grateful you motivate me to move my butt when I'd rather stay lazy or hidden. I am grateful you send signals when I need to step back, run away, or defend myself. You also taught me lessons about self-care and balance and how important that is to be well. I have learned to listen to you and myself better. Sometimes I'm still not great at this, but hey, we are both learning, right? Please accept my apologies for treating you so badly so many times. Please take my hand and let's smoke a peace pipe together. I'm happy you are part of my team and such a valuable and powerful member. Dear anxiety, let's be friends and keep growing together. We got this. Yours, almost everyone.